welcome to my channel. My name is Sakshi and today I'm sharing a few everyday essentials for the shoulder joint health. Now these movements are simple, effective, beginners friendly and you can do them anywhere, anytime. Now if you have had a recent shoulder surgery or injury, it's a good idea to first get clearance from your doctor whether it is safe for you to exercise or not. I hear so much about shoulder related pain, upper back pain, and quite often it is a result of limited mobility in the shoulder area. So many of us spend a lot of time sitting hunched over, working on our computers, using our phones, and don't really move the shoulders through the entire range of motion that is available to them. And that can manifest itself as pain, tightness, tension. I hope this routine not only helps you feel free and open in the shoulders, but also helps you improve your shoulder mobility over time with consistent practice. Let's try the routine.
We can do this practice in any sitting or standing position as long as your spine remains long. First movement is shoulder rolls. Think of your shoulder heads as tip of a pencil. We're going to mark 4 points with that pencil. Back, up, forward and down. Now join these points together to make a circle. This is an inward circle. Now let's try an outward one. Forward, up, back and down. Join the dots together to make a circle. This is an outward circle. In this practice, we are going to make 10 inward circles and 10 outward circles. Let's begin the inward ones. Try to make as big circles as you can with your shoulder heads. But through the movement, make sure that your spine remains long, your neck remains free and neutral. And keep breathing. Once you're done with inward circles, start making 10 outward ones. Second movement is a variation of retraction and protraction. Open your arms wide as you can. Then bring your arms in, right arm up, left arm down, reaching the hands towards opposite shoulders, hugging yourself nice and tight. Open again. Switch your arms, left arm up, right arm down. Reach the hands towards opposite shoulders, hug yourself. Let's do that a little faster for the count of 20. Let your hands bounce off your shoulders as you're moving. Make sure the movement comes from your arms, not your spine. It remains centered and neutral. Some of us also tend to lower the arms down as we move them. Make sure they remain parallel to the floor. Number 3. Third movement is extension and flexion. Lift your arms up, lower them down, extend them back. Let's do that a little faster. Every time you're lifting, you're also moving your arms a little bit back. Make sure you're not arching or rounding your spine. It remains neutral. The pace of the movement is moderate, not too fast, not too slow. We are doing 20 of these. Keep breathing. Now, the fourth movement is arm circles. Lift your right arm up, left arm down, making forward circles with your arms. Right arm moves forward, then the left arm follows. Start making the circles a little faster. It's just like you're swimming. Keep breathing. Slowly your arms will become freer. You will find your rhythm. Now reverse. Left arm up, right arm down, making circles outwards. So left arm moves back, right arm follows. Let's do that a little faster. Again, find your own rhythm, find your own pace. And make sure you keep breathing. Once you're done with these, take a couple breaths there. Movement number 5. We are going to lift the right arm up. Take the hand towards the spine. Hold the elbow with the left hand. Pull the elbow back to lower your hand further down the spine. Make sure your neck remains free and long. This is half variation of Gomukhasana. Breathe there for a few more breaths. Release. Let's do the other side. Left arm up, hand reaching towards your spine, holding the elbow with your right hand, pulling it back so the hand moves further down the spine. Neck is free, breathing there for a few. Release. Now the other half of Gomukhasana. Extend your right arm out to the side, rotate so the palm faces backwards, then take your hand up towards your opposite shoulder. Use your left hand to let the arm reach a little higher. Widen the collarbones, staying there for a few breaths. Release. Other side. Left arm out, rotate, take the hand towards your shoulders. Use your right hand to let your arm lift a little higher. Widen the collarbones. Make sure your spine is long. You're not arching your back. Breathe there for a few breaths. Release. Next movement, open your arms, cross your upper arms. Then see if you can wrap or cross your forearms. Hold your wrist and then lift your elbows in line with your shoulders. Eagle arms, Garudasana arms. In case you are unable to wrap or cross your forearms, you can simply do the hug yourself we did in the second movement. Release and switch your arms. The arm that was low comes up, that was up comes low. Crossing the upper arms, crossing the forearms, holding the upper wrist with your lower hand, and then lifting the elbows in line with the shoulders. Release. The last movement for today, we are going to need a strap. You can use a dupatta or a scarf. You're going to hold the strap between your hands behind your back, shoulder width a little bit less than shoulder width apart. Pull the strap apart with your hands, fold forward and lift, extend your arms as high as you can. Keep pulling the strap apart throughout. If you're doing it in a standing position or sitting in a chair, you do the same thing, simply fold forward and let your arms extend. Make sure you keep breathing. Lower your arms down, release the strap, use your hands to come back up.
So that was the shoulder routine. I hope you enjoyed the practice. In case you struggled with any of the movements, please remember that this is a practice. The more you practice over time, it will keep improving your flexibility, your mobility in the shoulder joint, and the movements you struggle with today will keep getting better with each practice. Let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to share your experience down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.